everyone and welcome back to Coxfly. In this video I'm giving you guys a broken down overview of SlapIO. Let's go ahead and begin today's video. Before we go and do so, please go ahead and drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and turn on post notifications to know the next time we upload. If you want to go ahead and check out the written overview for this video, I'll leave it linked down below in the YouTube description. Let's go ahead and begin today's video. We're going to start on the settings page. When you come over to settings, it'll show your AVI based on the Discord link to the key. Let's say welcome back, the user, the type of key you have, and you have the logout button. You have general, theme, and quick task. This is all within the settings. On the genre section, you can configure the Discord webhook. You can enable AOS CD autosave by enabling like that, and obviously options will pop up. You can also go ahead and play the checkout sound if you want to go ahead and do that. For a theme, you have a bunch of colors here. So if you click this color, you can go ahead and change it accordingly if you wish. So pretty simply, you can go ahead and utilize these colors and background colors to go ahead and create presets, and you can go ahead and save them. So if you want to go ahead and change up the colors of the bot, then you can. You also have your border style here. So you have dark blue, dark, and light. So let's say if we go to light here, you can see it's light. I'm going to go ahead and stick to dark blue because I prefer that. Then your task densities, you have compact, comfortable, and all person. We'll go ahead and check that out once we've created some tasks, and you can reset all colors if you wish. Moving over to the quick task section, this is where you can go ahead and utilize your quick tasks. There's nothing here at the moment, but this is where it would be. Moving over to the account section, this is where you can go ahead and add accounts to utilize within the bot. Hit the new account button, and this is what it looks like. So let's click on Amazon here. You can hide anti-bot services, only show site accounts. So if we go ahead and enable this, you can see the anti-bot services disappear. Let's click on Amazon here. Let's type in a test email for the purpose of this video. I'm typing a random password, click create account, and that will go ahead and create an account. Account type is Amazon, username/email is john@gmail.com, and the password is there. If you go ahead and right click the account, you can go ahead and delete it. You can also search up here as well through the accounts you have. Moving over to the proxy section, this is where you can go ahead and create proxy groups and enter proxies into those groups. You can also look for groups up here if you have multiple of them, but let's go ahead and create one. Let's click the new button. Let's call this video test group. Hit enter, it goes ahead and creates the group, and the 0 indicates how many proxies are within the group. So we can go ahead and add a proxy here. Let's go ahead and do that. We've added it. As you guys can see, the details are there, it's untested. Then you have the option to go ahead and test all or clear all. If you want to test selected ones, you go ahead and select the proxy, and you can test selected if you wish. You can also go ahead and rename the group and delete the group at any point if you wish. Moving over to the billing section, this is where we can go ahead and create billing profile groups and enter billing profiles into them. So let's go ahead and break it down. Let's go ahead and create a new group here. You can import as well if you wish, but we're not going to do that in this video. Let's hit new group. We're going to call this video profile group, just like so. That will go ahead and create the group, and the 0 indicates how many profiles are within that group. We'll go ahead and click into it, and this is what it looks like. Let's hit add profile, and then we can go through the profile creation process. Now, I don't think it's necessary for me to go through this entire process, but one thing I will go ahead and highlight is that if you go ahead and click this option, shipping is different from billing, you can go ahead and configure the shipping and billing sections of your profile. So as you guys can see, I filled out my details. This is my video test profile. We're going to go ahead and create the profile. It goes and creates it. The name is video test profile. The name on card is John Doe. The email is there. The last 4 digits of my card number is there. The address line 1 is there, and address line 2 would be there if I typed it in, but I didn't. If I right click this, I can go ahead and edit it and delete it if I wish. I can go ahead and clear profiles, and I can also import profiles as well. I can also go ahead and look for profiles within this group as well. I can go back, and it will take me back here, and obviously I can go ahead and create more groups. Let's say I want to go ahead and create a profile group for a certain site, then this would be the best method. You create one profile group, you'd create your profiles within that group, and it's all segregated and all organized. But let's move over to the task section to conclude today's video. Let's go ahead and create a group. Before we do that, you can also look through groups if you wish. Click add new group. Let's call it video test group. It would help if I could spell. Apologies. Okay, we've created the group. There's 0 tasks in there because that indicates, this number indicates how many tasks are within the group. 0 checkout, 0 active tasks, and 0 tasks on error. We can look for a task, we can set the monitor delay, we can go ahead and add a new task, start tasks, and stop our tasks. Let's click add new task, and we can go ahead and select the site we want to go ahead and create tasks for. As you guys can see, pretty cool animation when we hover over a certain site here. but let's go with a random site. Let's go with JD, for example. And this is what the task creation process looks like for JD. So we can go ahead and configure the checkout mode. Let's go with front end. For the payment option, we have PayPal reserved, PayPal Express, and credit card reserved. We can go ahead and select a profile. That's the profile we made in this video. The region, we can go ahead and configure it depending on what region you're in. I'll go with United Kingdom because I'm from the UK. For proxy, you have none and local, or you can utilize our proxy groups, which we made in this video. I'm going to go with none. Then for shipping method, there's nothing there to configure. We can go ahead and enter SKU because we're going ahead and botting JD. So I'll type in something random for the purpose of this video. We can randomize the phone number. We can add 3 characters to the profile name. We can use a catch-all email, and we can add 3 characters to the end of the address. Now, just to go and explain this, let's say for example, I have 5 profiles and I want to create multiple tasks. And when it comes to certain sites, they're not too strict about using the same cards. You can go ahead and utilize these options so you can utilize the same tasks, but the bot will actually help you go ahead and check out multiple times using the same profile, because using these methods here, it will essentially make you look to the site that you're different people. So let's say for example, I add 3 characters to the end of my address. That will look different compared to what my original address is. And obviously that will allow me to go ahead and check out multiple times on certain sites. But I'm not going to go ahead and utilize these options in this video, but it is there. So for the video, I'm actually going to go with PayPal Express. Let's click the next step. And as you guys can see, it goes and creates a task and we have a notification. You can see the SKU, we can see the site, we can see the type of mode, we can also see the payment method, which is going to be PayPal Express. It is ready, and obviously the proxies are undefined local because we're using our local IP. We have the start button, stop button, and delete button. If you right click the task, it will give you the option to duplicate, edit, and delete. If you start the task, obviously this isn't going to work, but you can see the task lights up and it will go through the initializing process. It's not going to work because I've typed in random information for the purpose of this video, but this is what the process looks like. So that is going to go ahead and include this overview of SlapIO. If you want to go ahead and check out the written overview regarding this bot, I'll leave it linked down below in the YouTube description. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace out.